went down to Melbourne and I just got a really sore throat and scratchy nose. No, I'm not hungover. Oh, we got a light show. That's a bit weird. Okay, we've kind of stopped.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, I do regret we just had a bit of an electrical issue. We're just starting up the auxiliary power, and once we get that going, we'll have some normal electrical power restored. Very unusual, very embarrassing, and I do regret the delay. Thank you.
Oh, God, Boeing again. Now we've got an electrical fault.